good one.
Morning everybody, welcome back to the California Delta. We are back out here to do some winter bass fishing. We got 6 rods on deck, free rig, A-rig, jig, crankbait, and BFS set up with a Texas rig craw. Come along, let's get into it.
Oh, that's a good one. Keeper. All right. Oh, that's a fat one. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. $185, $182, $182. All right, here she goes. Well, that's going to wrap it up today, ladies and gentlemen, on the California Delta. Managed to get a few bites, landed one decent one. It was tough. Water temperatures coming down just a little bit, not too much. Got the one on the free rig on the pink robo worm, 4.5 inch. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And other than that, catch you on the next one. Peace.